How to make a website on Wix without AI. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a website that you're going to create within your Wix platform without using the Wix AI builder. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the dashboard or sites board from here. We're going to click on create a new site. This is if you are going to be a already user of Wix websites and you have created already some websites with AI. Now if you're not going to be a new or an old user, you're going to find something already like this. So we are going to find here either to try Wix Studio, which is not our subject for today's video, or create on Wix Editor. Obviously select the create on Wix Editor. Now AI is going to try to lead you and seduce you to use it, but we are going to not be convinced and we're not going to use it, so we're going to set up without the chat. Click on that and you're going to ignore the AI till now. Now we're going to set up the manual methods, such as setting up the description about the website, and we can go out already and skip it, but this is going to be very good for you to set up the start of the website, because either what we're going to create is going to be at the end the subject for the search engines. So for example, I'm going to create a blog. So I type in blog. You can go ahead a blog, for example, about tech, for example, or about, let's say, vacation deals or whatever. You're going to click on tap in, and it is going to be customizing the next step. So what do you want to call your website? It is going to be cool. Can go ahead and use the AI suggestion, but I'm going to let my instinct work as manual. For example, Trav deals, and you're going to make it like that. You can go ahead and ignore or skip these steps. What are your goals for this site? We are going to type in here put or get, or I'm going to make this give you the best deals possible to get a decent vacation. We're going to have this like this, and boom. So it is going to set up the find or the apps for you. It is going to be completely normal. Nothing is crazy here, and it is not AI, because these apps are going to be installed with or without AI. So we have Wix blog, for example. You can go ahead and sell some products if you want, event, portfolio, pricing plans, whatever. I'm going to continue with the two ones that I have here, and it is going to create manually, I repeat, without AI, my website. So we're going to give it a little bit of here time to conceive everything, and it is going to set up the steps. So after this one, I'm going to speed up a little bit of the process, because it is going to be a very long parkour, I would like to say that. So we're going to give it the time to personalize the steps in our guide, because we do not need it anyway. So now it is going to have you here to the board or dashboard of yours. It is going to be something that you have used to do or to see. Click on design site, and it is going to suggest for you two options: generate design with AI or choose a template. I'm going to pick a template manually like that. Select one of the templates, for example, that will go. Normally it is going to have something like holiday blog. I don't know, maybe it is going to be for holidays, but we're going to select this, click on edit, and it is going to give you the website. And here it is. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.